Rogier van der Weyden or Roger de la Pasture was born 1399 or 1400, died June 18, 1464. He was an early Netherlandish painter whose surviving works consist mainly of religious triptychs, altarpieces, and commissioned single and diptych portraits. He was highly successful in his lifetime. His paintings were exported to Italy and Spain, and he received commissions from, amongst others, Philip the Good, Netherlandish nobility, and foreign princes. Van der Weyden worked from life models, and his observations were closely observed, yet he often idealized certain elements of his models' facial features, who were typically statuesque, especially in his triptychs. All of his forms are rendered with rich, warm colorization and a sympathetic expression, while he is known for his expressive pathos and naturalism. His portraits tend to be half-length and half-profile, and he is as sympathetic here as in his religious triptychs. Van der Weyden used an unusually broad range of colors and varied tones. In his finest work the same tone is not repeated in any other area of the canvas, so even the whites are varied.